Let's add these two numbers together. Let me remind you that we are using the technique which works only for addition. Okay, this is similar to counting the money. Okay, let's say if in one packet you have $6 and change, okay, and in another packet you have $5 and change. If you want to add everything, whatever you have, you add the bills first, and after that you add change. This is basically what we are going to do right now. Okay, as I said, this technique always work for addition. For subtraction only sometimes. That's why we're never going to use this for subtraction. Simply add 6 plus 5 first. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is equal 11. And I have change 1 over 9 plus 2 over 9. I have common denominator 9 and 9, that's why the denominator stays the same. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. Okay. Now, please notice that I have 3 in the numerator and 9 in the denominator. I can reduce this fraction because 3 and 9, both of them are divisible by 3. In other words, I can say this is 1 times 3. And I have 3 times 3. Okay, these two are divisible by 3. These 3's are going to cancel out, and answer is 1/3. My final answer is going to be 11 plus 1/3. $11 and 1/3 of the dollar is $11 and 1/3. And this is the solution to the problem.